welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing another Cook With Me. Mary.
Howdy.
And Cat Style. So, let's show you what we're going to do. We're going to be making our
Spaghetti
with
avocado sauce.
With avocados. We got tomato juice. We got some salsa. Seasonings are the ginger, the oregano, the garlic. I don't know why I got that one. The parsley, the onion powder, and the no salt. Then we got sour cream and diced tomatoes with sweet onion. And over here,
deer meat
or venison and cheese. So let's get putting it together. Okay, so we've got a quick tip for you. Our venison is actually frozen. It's really, really hard. So in order to actually cook it without having to hurry it up and wait with the microwave, you know, sometimes they take forever to defrost. Go ahead and open that up.
May I have a knife?
You may have a knife.
Thank you.
And I'll get the seasonings over here for us. Okay, so now we got the venison in here. I think the power's on. No, it is. Okay, so I'm going to take some water and I'm just going to put some in the bottom of it. What that'll do is that'll keep it from sticking to the bottom. And now what I'm going to do is just put the seasonings in.
And what's Mary doing over here?
I'm making mine and Cat's coffee so we can cook. Can't cook without coffee. Sorry. No can do.
Just a
pinch.
That's more than a pinch, but we'll call it good. The no salt. We'll go with the
Sissy,
onion powder.
here's your coffee.
Thank you. Can you grab me a spoon real quick?
That I can do.
But that there. And then I'm just going to take a regular tablespoon.
That's a teaspoon.
It's a table. I'm just going to drip it over it. That should be good. I just want a little bit of that ginger flavor. So that's what I'm doing. Wash it everywhere. Okay, so that goes back in the fridge. So now I have my coffee. Mary has her coffee. Food has a lid. We're going to drink and cook supper. See you in a minute.
Well, I'm getting ready to put the pasta in. We added a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder to the water. And I broke the pasta in 3 sections. So now I'm just going to gently pour it in. And I'm going to put the lid back on it.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this slotted spoon and then go from the bottom up. And you can clearly see that it's really nowhere near ready. If you know your pasta, you can tell when it's done by the look of it, which I'm pretty good at that. I'm not going to say I'm perfect because I ain't perfect at nothing yet. Okay, so put that off to the side. Look at that. Okay. And by the time this meat is done, most of this water should be evaporated off. So now I'm just going to break this up. Just going to stir the rest of this around a little bit and get it all mixed up. Make sure nothing's sticking. Add the cheese to this so it melts, and then we're going to add all the other ingredients. Except for the guacamole. The guacamole will be last, because you don't really want to cook the guacamole.
Why is that?
Because it kind of turns it. It makes it kind of bad.
I never knew that.
Yeah. I mean, I think some people do cook with it, but most of the time you'll see it in sauces that you don't cook.
True.
So, alright, so I'm going to put the lid back on here and let it cook a little bit longer. And we'll be back as soon as that's done.
I'm just trying to break it up a little bit more. Just a little bit longer to let what I broke up brown rest of the way. Let's turn it off. There. Then I'm going to put the lid back on and just let it finish browning. But when everything's cooked, we'll be back in a minute.
It's now my turn to stir this. And I'm going to go ahead and add the cheese, the salsa, the tomato juice, and Mary's got a can of tomatoes over there she's opening. So let's get this stirred. And look, there's no liquid at all. None. Like I said, as soon as...
It'd be nice to have a light there.
Excuse me. As soon as the meat was done, the water would be gone.
Mm-hmm.
So, just break it up a bit more just to make sure. Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, so that's pretty well broke up now. Now I'm just going to take these and kind of, I've pre-cut them, as you guys seen in the beginning. I'm throwing pieces on the floor. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on. It's at warm simmer. I'm going to go ahead and add the can of tomatoes. Put that there.
That's a pretty cool time. I'll put the pieces back together. They display well. It's real, it's not real. It's real, but it's not.
It's right here, Mike.
Okay. I'm going to pull the pasta because by the time I get it drained, it will be done. I'll put just a touch of butter with that and put it in the bowl. Okay, so now I've got the pasta drained. There's butter in it, so don't stick together. Look at this. OMG. So I'm going to put the rest of this in the fridge. Make sure this is all stirred in. 2 good scoops of the sour cream. That's probably about a 1/4 cup to half, maybe. Hang on. Okay, so now we're going to do the taste test.
It turns out it's a flat button. I don't know if you can see it. Let me turn my profile on. Get some light. It's right there.
Oh, heavens to Bert. That's you.
Old flat button.
Oh, wow.
That, I give 2 thumbs up.
So do I.
This is probably
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you think we can make. And I guess we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.